Is your Jeep Grand Cherokee display going black when you plug in Apple CarPlay? The good news is that 80% of these black screen issues are solved by simple software resets. Before you visit the dealer, let us walk through the diagnostic steps. Start by switching your cable, forgetting the device, and performing a hard Uconnect reset. If that fails, investigate your USB port for debris or check for pending firmware updates. Toggling your network settings often clears out lingering handshake errors. Try these home fixes first, as dealer visits for infotainment issues can get expensive quickly. As you can see, a simple cable swap is infinitely cheaper than a full head unit replacement. Always prioritize safety by working while parked and never forcing objects into your USB ports. Keep a high-quality cable and a can of compressed air in your glove box for quick fixes. Remember, most infotainment glitches are just minor communication errors between your phone and the Jeep. If this helped, hit subscribe and check the link below for the latest official Uconnect updates.